How's it going, guys? Come join me today. Let's make some Southwest egg rolls. So let's go ahead and cook our chicken here. This is chicken breast that I'm using. I've cubed them into small pieces, about 1/4 inch cubes, maybe a little smaller. Let's go ahead and season our chicken here. Let's start with salt. Let's add some black pepper. Let's add some taco seasoning. I wish you can all smell this. The smell of the seasonings that we added, the taco seasoning. It's got cumin in it, and the smell of the cumin is so fragrant. We can now start adding the rest of our ingredients. We'll start with the whole kernel corn, some chopped up red bell peppers, some black beans, alright, let's put our lid on, give this a few minutes, and then we can add the rest of the other ingredients. Alright, this is looking good. Now we can start adding the rest of the other ingredients. We can now add our green onions, some chopped up parsley, let's give it a little taste and see if we need to adjust anything. And we don't. Perfect. So as this is finishing here, we can now add our shredded Monterey Jack cheese. So we'll just give this some time to cool down, and then we can start wrapping them and make egg rolls and deep fry them. So as we wait for our chicken to cool down, let's go ahead and work on our avocado-ranch dipping sauce for our Southwest egg rolls. With this dipping sauce, there's only a few items that we will be using. You can use your favorite ranch dressing that you prefer. We will be using some avocados. We will also need some lime, and we'll also be using some cilantro. So let's get started. So let's go ahead and put our ranch dressing in our blender here. Let's slice our avocado. For this much sauce that I'm making, I'll probably use maybe 2 avocados. Go ahead and chop our cilantro. We'll add some lime. Let's add a little bit of salt. So let's go ahead and blend this. And when you blend this, you don't want to puree it. So you want to leave a little bit of chunks of avocado and a little bit of chunks of cilantro. Go ahead, give it a try. Oh my god, so delicious. Wow, amazing. All right, so now that we have finished making our avocado ranch dipping sauce, and our chicken has also cooled down, now we can start wrapping our egg rolls. So today we will be using some tortilla wraps. So to make sure that these egg rolls don't open while we're frying them, I went ahead and mixed some water and flour and just microwaved it for a minute. So this will help seal the end of the egg roll so they don't open up while we're frying them. So when you guys are making these, you want to make sure that you put your meat towards the back side of the wrapper. And then once you start to roll it, make sure you tighten it so when you fry it, it doesn't become loose. So let's go ahead and start frying them. I'm just using canola oil here. You can use any type of oil that you prefer. Alright, so we're done frying our egg rolls here. So let's go ahead and slice them. And we can start plating. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It smells so good. Oh my goodness. Table number 20, your order's up. The perfect bite. Oh my god. So good. So good. I'll see you guys again on the next one, okay? You guys take care now. Bye-bye.